have a reservation for today. It's under the name of Blanca. I have a reservation for today. It's under the name of Blanca. Can you please spell that for me? Sure. L-O-V-E-L-Y.
Yes, lovely life. First, serve a double room for you with a view of the ocean of 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
Excellent. We already have a credit card information on file. If you just sign the receipt along the bottom, please.
Whoa, it's 2009.
Yes, ma'am. For a 5-star hotel after all.
Well, fine. I'm here on business anyway. So at least I'm staying on the company's dime. What's included in this cost anyway?
A full continental day every morning and useful hotel sink are all included.
So what's not included in the price?
Well, you will find a mini bar and useful gift will be charged to your account also. The hotel provides room service at an additional charge, of course.
Okay, so what are my room?
Room 202, use your key to get through, take the elevator on the right up to 4th floor. Turn left once you exit the elevator and your room will be on the left-hand side. A bellboy will bring you bags up. Next, please assist our guest.
Great, thanks. This way, Mom. Wait for a while. Okay, what time is check out? Well, great. This room will be alright for you, no? Yes, of course. Okay. Here is the menu, ma'am. If you want to order, you can dial asterisk 14344. And if your order is settled, call just
Yeah, 1, 2.
there's the menu, ma'am. If your order is settled, you can call me at asterisk 0.
Sabi.
Is there anything else, ma'am? None. Can I leave now? Yes. Thank you. Enjoy your night. Thank you. Guess lang.
Ayan na 3.
Yes. I like to order chocolate cake, pineapple juice, then my prosciutto wrap penne. Yes. Thank you. Around 5 p.m. I guess. Yeah, thank you.
May I help you? I can take your order, ma'am. What would you like to order? Would you care for any dessert? Would you care for wine? Sure, ma'am. Will there be anything else? Your name and room number, please. What time would you like to be served? Certainly, ma'am. Your order will be delivered around. I hope you will enjoy your meal.
Game?
Game.
order, ma'am. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
I would like to check out. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Can I have my bill, please?
Yeah, which room?
202, please.
Okay. How would you like to settle your bill, ma'am? Credit or card?
Credit card.
Okay, please sign here. And may I your card, ma'am? Thank you.
And here's the clip.
Thank you. Have a nice trip, ma'am.
Thank you.